Welcome back to DOCONCHAIN. We are now at the last part of the doc organization where you will be creating sub-organizations. Sub-organization is often used if you are managing different groups, departments, companies, or even clients. To add a subgroup, you can click here and update the information needed, such as the logo and the avatar. Here you can select which parent organization you want your sub-organization to be under. You can also put the sub-organization name, logo link, and other details. After adding the details, you can select the sub-organization type from this drop-down. We have four types starting with department, client, partner, and company. This helps you put a label and distinguish the groups that you're creating. Once done, you can hit save and you will be prompted on the sub-organization that you just created. Here you can either create another sub-organization or start adding members. That's all for the doc organization. Let us know if you have any questions or refer to other videos for other features or settings on DOCONCHAIN. Thank you.